Hi, this is Kun from ACNTRUCK. Now I'm at the port. The trunks behind me are SHACMAN dump trunk F2000. Let me show you more details. The total mass of this trunk is 25,000 kilograms. The cabin uses high-strength materials, a single bed and air conditioner ensuring a comfortable driving experiences. Left and right side doors are equipped with high-strength anti-collision beam. Lower floor makes sure the most driving room. The engine is Weichai engine. Rated output power is 213 kilowatts, ensuring a good traction ability and heavy loads. Non-speed manual transmission with fast gearbox ensure a smooth shifting and efficient power delivery. The overall length of this trunk is about 8.4 meters. The total height is about 3.5 meters. The load capacity of this trunk is 15 cubic meters. The F2000 series is not just a vehicle, it's a trusted partner, delivering consistent performance that has captivated operators worldwide. If you are interested, feel free to contact with me. That's all of the video today. See you next time.